Hello guys, welcome to your budget friendly kitchen. Today we are making 5 Alive juice. This drink is inspired by the popular 5 Alive citrus juice. For this recipe we are using 3 tangerines, 3 oranges, 1 red grape, 2 lemons, 1 medium-sized pineapple and some green grapefruits. Wash, peel and assemble all the fruits together like so. Cut into tiny pieces to help your blender. I added 3 ml of cold water. 80% of your liquid should be from the juice so that it can be tasty. Blend until smooth and pour into a sieve to extract the juice like so. Pour the extracted juice back into your blender and use it to blend the remaining fruits. Repeat the process until you exhaust the fruits. Here is our extracted juice. Put in your refrigerator. It is best served cold. This juice is a good source of vitamin C. If you are looking to drop some weight, this drink is a good replacement to the soda drinks because it is all natural and does not contain any added sugar or preservatives. Some of the many benefits of this juice is it keeps your skin looking great. If you have cold, this juice can help improve your symptoms greatly. This juice is packed with so much potassium, it also helps to support your heart health. And like I said, it is a great way to lose weight. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.